फ्रेंड्स, पीडीएफ आपको टेलीग्राम चैनल पर मिलेगा, जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में 1-2 घंटे बाद दे दिया जाएगा और टेलीग्राम चैनल को ज्वाइन कर लीजिएगा आप लोग। हमारी डिक्टेशन अगर आपको थोड़ा सा भी हेल्पफुल लगे तो इस चैनल को लाइक एवं सब्सक्राइब अवश्य करें।
Ready? Start. In other words, the decision making process to the extent of holding oblique convening of a valid meeting of the general body and the resolution, if any, had been passed in the said meeting as per the procedure prescribed under the bylaws of the society, can be examined by the assistant registrar. Full stop para. In any case, the inquiry being made by the assistant registrar is summary in nature, as the enjoins with the power to look to the original records of the society. Full stop. Beyond this, the registrar cannot examine the validity or correctness of the decision taken by the executive body of the society on merits. Full stop. It is not open for him to declare the resolution of executive committee of the society as null and void. Full stop. The scope of jurisdiction of the assistant registrar under section 4b is confined to an administrative exercise of power so as to satisfy himself that the list of change submitted before it as per subsection 2 of section 4b is correct and is in conformity with the original records of the society and has been presented by a valid office bearer of the society. Full stop para. Insofar as the stage of inquiry by the assistant registrar is concerned, there cannot be any doubt or dispute that in view of the statement of objects and reasons for insertion of section 4b of the Act 1860 by UP Act number 23 of 2013 as noted above, the adjudication on the question within the scope of inquiry under the said provision can be made by the assistant registrar at any stage whenever the dispute is raised regarding correctness of the list of general body of the society, that is, even after the registration or renewal is done. Full stop. As noted above, the object of the amending act is to minimize the litigation that may crop up on account of non-existence of a valid oblique correct list of the general body. Full stop. This would invariably mean that in case of any dispute raised by the assistant registrar regarding the correctness of the list of the general body of the society, he can invoke his jurisdiction to adjudicate the same in order to minimize the chance of a dispute in future. Full stop. There cannot be any dispute also to the position that the decision of the registrar oblique assistant registrar under section 4b of the Act 1860 is always subject to the decision of a civil code, if any, in a civil suit. Full stop para. In so far as the nature of powers exercised by the registrar/assistant registrar under the Act 1860 is concerned, though the same appears to be by a large administrative in nature. However, looking to the language of Section 4B of the Act 1860, where the registrar has been provided power to examine the documentary records, and in case of any dispute regarding the membership, he is enjoined with the power to adjudicate the same. It cannot be said that the registrar acts as a purely administrative authority while exercising its power under Section 4B of the Act 1860. Full stop.
Thanks friends watching my video. Like, share and subscribe please.